starting the video again.
Right, we're starting the
And I
video.
didn't bring Bone Shaker with me to the phone again. So,
Okay, I was going to show you a little tip. Whenever you're whipping cream or even making cake mix or something, if you turn it, if you do this, if you
that looks delicious.
it does look delicious, doesn't it? Lift it up slowly, then it kind of gets everything off of your
I already want
fingers.
some.
You
I already want some.
do? You do.
Can I do a test taste?
You can get a spoon. Okay, we're just going to put this right over here for right now.
Let's see how it tastes.
Okay, and so this is whipped cream, and I used, now it doesn't have any sugar in it, so just have a little taste. It's 1 pint of whipped
It
cream.
doesn't taste good right now, but it will later.
It will. So what we're going to do is add a can of condensed milk to it. You want to stir it?
Okay. I think Bruce is here.
Okay.
Hello. We're making some homemade ice cream.
All
And
right.
video.
And I just test tasted. It doesn't taste good right now, but it will later.
Oh, I bet it will.
And Bone Shaker Lava Wheels is helping.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we're adding the condensed milk. Now I didn't add any sugar. Usually when you whip cream,
Wait, can I taste that milk?
you can just a minute.
Because I don't think I've.
Oh, you love
a long
this. You've
time.
had it. You've had it been a long time. So you just, whenever you are, it's super yummy. My sister used to love to lick the cake whenever we would make things at home.
I want some of this later.
Okay. So what we're going to do is fold it in, and remember how we
I already
fold.
want some more.
Remember how we fold is we dip it in and fold over, just like you're folding a
if you
towel
have
or
this milk,
something.
You should taste it yourself without anything in it.
Because it's so yummy. And
It
a lot
delicious.
of people, it does taste delicious. A lot of people will use that milk, condensed evaporated milk, to sweeten desserts. And you don't have to necessarily use the whole can, just a little bit of it. So we're
But
gonna,
we used a whole can.
we use the whole can.
To make
we're-
it.
make it so yummy. And what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that it's really incorporated well. And so here we go. You can see that there's a few little strands of the condensed milk, so we'll keep on going. And anyway, I said while I was beating and it was so loud, welcome to Miss Dana's Kitchen. We're so happy to have y'all, and we love you, and we are,
That was delicious.
I'm so glad, baby.
Now I gotta clean the spoon.
Okay.
Dishwasher.
Okay, so we're gonna put some vanilla in. We'll put a hat full of vanilla in.
I think I'll actually put this in the real dishwasher now.
Okay. And once again, we're gonna fold it in because you want it to be well incorporated, but you don't have to,
Annie, are these dishes clean or dirty?
they're dirty.
Okay. They don't look dirty.
Well, I always kind of clean them before I put them in. Do y'all do that? Probably do it way too much. Okay, so here, this is it, y'all. This is our ice cream. And it is going to be so yummy. It looks so rich already.
I'm just getting another test taster spoon if I
Okay.
have to test taste.
So now
something
it's
else.
time to put it in whatever thing you're going to freeze it in. And Nico wanted to do it individually because he likes little cups of ice cream in these little plastic cups. So that's what we're going to
Danny,
do.
remember we're gonna do some chocolate too.
And then we're going to show you how
I'm gonna go put bone sugar in there now.
okay, how you can flavor it. So the way I'm going to get it in is I'm going to use a ladle. And so we'll just ladle
And
it
just so
in.
you remember, I'm on this Thomas thing.
Right, he's on his little Thomas chair that we got today.
I'm holding it. It can be a chair or a bed.
So fun, huh? You can have a movie night.
What's that?
This is the ice cream.
Oh, I want to test these.
Okay. Yeah, taste that for us.
Oh, some landed in the bowl though.
Yummy?
That is good.
Okay. So you might need a little help from a spoon. But anyway, you put it in each cup.
I'm
And,
gonna go get a towel.
okay. You want me to hand you one?
No, I think I can reach them.
So this much will make, I would guess, probably 10 to 12 cups. And
I ripped it.
this would be excellent for movie night. Nice little treat at the end, and you've made it yourself. There aren't 1,000 ingredients in it.
More like just the only ingredient and the best ingredient is yumminess.
So yummy, huh? Nico and I love to cook together. And
But
this
we don't do it much anymore though.
well, no, we have to do it more, don't we?
Okay, like this when you're done.
When I'm done. Well, not long. Okay, let's see. So 2, 4,
Can I with
6.
this too?
You can, just a minute. Maybe not 10, we'll see. 8. Don't you
It's
love cooking
delicious.
with kids? I'm so glad you think it's delicious. We have the same germs. Okay. Kind of making a mess. We're messy cooks, what can you say? Okay, ready? One more, huh? So what we're going to
It's
do is
delicious.
we're going to put it on, we're going to put all of our little cups on a tray. Maybe a cookie sheet or something, or just plates, and put it in the freezer. It's just enough. Let's add some more of this one. And freeze them. And then one thing I was going to show you, you can make each individual one a taste that you like. You could put some strawberries in one. We're going to put, you want to put some chocolate syrup in one?
Sure.
Okay. We're going to put some chocolate syrup on one, and we're going to put some lemon curd on one. Let's try this lemon curd. So basically, you just do a dollop of lemon curd right on the top. Oh gosh, it's so pretty, y'all. I love it. Look, Nico.
What's this taste like?
It's yummy. It's what you make lemon pies out of. And then to make it like in a little heart, you just dig it down.
But did we use that in our last ice cream video?
No.
No?
So
I'm
then,
not sure I like this that much. See?
so you see, then you've got some lemony. You
I
just
kind of like it. I
did a
kinda
circle,
don't.
and then I'll take a picture of it because if I did,
I kind
there
of like
we
it. I
go.
kind of don't, but it's kind of good.
Good. And so there you have some lemony ice cream. That would be something that I would really like. And
Wait,
then-
can we make only 2 of them lemon?
Yeah.
So let's put some in this one too.
Okay. And then
It's
if you want
dripping
some
off the
chocolate,
edge.
do you want to put some chocolate in mine?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can I do it?
Sure.
So we'll have 2 chocolate, a light normal, and we'll have 2 lemon.
Okay. So you want to put? Do you want to swirl the chocolate in, or do you want to just leave it on top?
I think I just.
Oh gosh! Oh look how cute!
I think
It's
I'm
a
gonna
little
swirl
heart.
it in, Amy.
Isn't that cute? It just makes a little heart. You just go down the middle of it.
Okay, then that should be enough chocolate.
Okay, you will swirl it around.
Can I do it?
Sure. So if you want to do some chocolate ones, just put in your chocolate syrup and swirl it around.
Oh, this looks good.
It does look good. Let's show everybody.
Ah, I'm
It's
dropping
okay.
them.
It's okay. See how pretty that looks, y'all? These are going to be really pretty. And what a treat. Nico's on the soccer team.
That actually tastes just like normal
I
chocolate.
know. We might have
ice
to
cream.
make some
It
of these.
tastes like Chick-fil-A chocolate ice cream.
Okay. We might have to make some of these for your soccer team. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think so too. Okay, y'all. So we're going to freeze them. We'll either come back on or just show you some pictures of them. Hopefully, we'll be able to come back on if they freeze in time. But anyway, so here's our super simple ice cream. What a great summer treat, end of summer treat, beginning of school treat, if you've already started school. And I think you're going to just love it. So this is from Miss Dana's Kitchen. Bon appetit, y'all.
Let's make sure we stir these 2.
Okay, tell them bon appetit.
Bye, bon appetit. I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. This was fun.
Bye.
Bye.